And just like that, guys, another day's in the books for Palantir stock and for the entire stock market. And let me tell you guys, it was not the best day today at all. Palantir stock went down almost 4%, and every index in the U.S. stock market was down as well. So guys, we have to break down Palantir, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So Palantir, like I said, went down almost 4% on the day, and we opened at around, let's see here, guys, almost $82 per share. It looks like right around $81.50 is where we opened, and then we sold off to about $77.90, which was a drop of around 4.5%, and then we consolidated for the rest of the day. So really, all of the red, guys, came within the first 30 to 40 to 50 minutes of trading, and then for the rest of the day, 6-7 hours, we were pretty flat at about $78-79 per share, and we officially closed just a hair above $79 a share, down almost 3.75%, down about $3 on the day. And guys, in the pre-market, PLTR was in the 82 range, almost in the 82 range. So again, we then dumped off at open, and then we got ourselves back to almost $80 per share at close. And with this sell-off today, guys, we took out the lows from the previous trading day yesterday, which you guys can see right here. We hit about $81.50, 30 cents on the low yesterday. So we took out that low, also took out the low from, I think this was Tuesday, and now we're getting close to where we were on Monday. In fact, on Monday we hit about 77.50, 77.75, and that's pretty much where we're holding as of today. We held that low from Monday. Buyers came in, we bounced off of it, which is good in the very, very short term here. Now, on the 30-minute chart, pretty clear we're still holding a higher low. The uptrend looks pretty good here on the 30-minute chart, although we do have a death cross in the making, guys. The 50 SMA is crossing slightly under the 50 moving average on this time frame, guys, which you can see that, but even with that, we're still technically holding a higher low here. And on the 1 hour chart, let me pull this up and show you guys, we're actually still holding a higher low, right? Higher lows are holding, the trend is holding, and we're above the 180 moving average, which is the gold trend line right here, which is ideal, right? The uptrend's holding. We're putting in a higher low right now, it looks like. And to be honest, guys, this sell-off today was very healthy, and I would argue much needed for Palantir stocks. So we're noticing higher lows are holding, right? We have one right here from today. About a week ago, we held a couple. You guys see these, all throughout the last couple of weeks. And at the same time, we have resistance at about $85 per share. If I draw this out, you guys can see that resistance pretty clear as day, right? So what do we have? What do we have here, guys? This is an ascending triangle. Do you guys see it? Higher lows being made into that 50, or not 50. I don't know why I said 50. 80, quite different from 50. Making those higher lows into that $80, $83 resistance. So by the looks of it, guys, this could very well be a nice buy the dip opportunity. And excuse me for a second, my nose, I am a little bit sick today, guys. I'll be honest with you. I don't know what's going on. Had a little bit of, itchy throat this morning. Feeling a little bit better now, but still a little under the weather. So bear with me here, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Hit that like button. But yeah, in the short term, man, as we're wrapping up this year, heading into 2025, let's see what we do in this $78 to $80 window, right where we are now, right at this trend line on the 1 hour chart. If we get the pop, we can then be going towards $82, $83, and that could be the breakout spot, guys, right around 84, 85. If that level breaks, man, we could be going a lot higher in 2025. We'll see, but all signs are pointing to the bulls being in charge. No doubt about it. We have that triangle, and here on the 4 hour chart, you guys can see the triangle even better, and you'll notice we're well above the 180 moving average on the 4 hour chart here, and we're above the 50 SMA, which, guys, we can see the 50 SMA here on the 4 hour time frame has held pretty much since the beginning of November. So we're talking 2 months now in a row. And even before that, man, we're looking back towards the beginning of September, man. We've been holding this moving average. So this is a big spot. If Palantir falls through 79, maybe we go down to $70 again, right by the 180 SMA. Maybe on the 4 hour chart, we do go back towards $70, right? But as of now, we're not seeing that. Buyers are coming in above the 50 moving average here. And it looks like, to me, I don't know about you guys, but to me, it looks like we're getting ready, to maybe see a pop to end off the year, or at least in the beginning of the year, based on how the charts are looking. So very healthy pullback for Palantir stock today and on all the indexes. SPY went down, let's see here, officially, guys, about 1%. Officially 1% in the red, and we have to monitor this head and shoulders on SPY. You guys see it, the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. We went down 1% on the day, slightly under both moving averages on this 4 hour chart, so we have to get back over there. QQQ ended up going down 1.3% officially. We also have some head and shoulders action on QQQ, slightly above the 180 moving average, which we have to bounce off that point, guys, which as of now we are holding it, so that's pretty good on QQQ. And the Russell went down about 1.5% today. Still holding the uptrend on the 4 hour chart, as is the Dow Jones, holding the uptrend, looking pretty good at about 43,000 points, 42,800. That's a big spot of support here. And the VIX, guys, went up over 8% on the day, so we did get some volatility overall, but nothing too crazy, man. Nothing that we haven't seen before or that we're not used to. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Nice, healthy pullback day today across the board on the stock market, and for Palantir stock, and I'm looking to see if we rally again. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the free email list. That's linked down below. I send you my top 3 stocks every Monday. Check out the Patreon as well, where I post my updates to my portfolio every week. Make sure you guys get in there and get your free stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, I'll catch you later.